Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, and I'm a passionate home cook. Today, with our Bren B Farms Solterra potatoes, we're making air fryer salt and vinegar potato chips. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Using your mandolin, slice your potatoes set to 2 to 3 millimeters. Place your chips in a mixing bowl and fill with vinegar. Refrigerate and brine your potatoes for 4 to 24 hours. Remove your chips from the fridge and carefully place on a kitchen towel. Pat your chips dry. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. Spray your air fryer tray with olive oil. Gently lay your chips in the air fryer tray. Spray once again with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt. Cook your chips at 390 degrees in your air fryer. They should take about 5 minutes. When chips are starting to brown and crispy, remove from the air fryer. Lightly salt and allow to cool. Crispy, light, and delicious, this air fryer version of kettle chips will not disappoint. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to tune in for more Bren B Farms Solterra potato recipes. And until next time, keep cooking.